I'm Chris Wolf with Meadowlark Log Homes. We're here putting this house together with a beautiful view of the Cabinet Mountains. You know, we really enjoy most builds, but this is a really special one. This is for just a really good friend of ours moving here from Australia. And, you know, we're just hoping that this is a huge blessing to him and to everybody. It's got a couple apartments downstairs separate from the house. And we're just hoping that, you know, everybody's gonna really enjoy. I know they'll enjoy the view.
It's a modified Montana Rancher, and it has an extra Monarch entry out the front, and it's expanded 8 feet in length and I think 6 feet width from our generic model on the website. Yeah, so the process of building a log house is quite different from just your general frame house. Everything is custom. Each log has its place, and you know, you have to develop an eye for finding the right log, placing it in the right place in the house. The notches we do all by hand, and they have to line up. So yeah, there's always challenges that come up with quality and in the material. We just sort out the best of the material and use that, and we have a lot of very unique features in the logs.
Got a hard-working crew here putting together the gables, getting the finishing touches before the purlins go on. I've been working on this for a couple days, and we're just about there. We got some decks to build and that to finish some of the log setting, but other than that, we're just about there.
We are currently in the process of creating our own little 8-acre resort right adjacent to the ranch. So if anybody wants to come and stay, we're getting ready to show off our resort style upgrade home for vacation rental. And this one will be available perhaps as early as 2019. We'd love to have you.